Today I welcome you all to this video where I'm going to show you how to design a professional logo within 3 to 5 minutes. In this video we are going to make use of a software called SoThink Logo Maker. SoThink Logo Maker is one of the drag and drop logo maker in which you can get your design. You can make use of the preset templates. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this logo maker, these are the templates that come along with this logo maker. Under business we have like 99 templates in which you can just do a little trick to have it done and turn it to your own design. Under technology we have like 33 templates here. Under organization we have like 27 thereabout templates in which you can just do a little editing to it and turn it to your own design. Likewise, under version, okay, we have like 99 designing which you can just do a little take. Likewise, under letter based logo we have a lot of templates here. We have for badge logo design, we have for festival logo design. This logo design maker is one of the best logo maker out there. You don't need to have any knowledge about how to make use of how to design a logo. Okay, let's choose any of the templates under this technology. Now let me choose. Okay, now let's assume we are trying to design a logo for a company that's venture into technological advancements. Let's try to look for any of the logo here that you can just. Okay, now let's try to make use of this dynamic now. Let's change the. Okay, let's assume the name of the company is Supremo. You can change this thing to Supremo. Just don't click on it and edit. So Supremo. Okay, Supremo Digital Solution. Okay, now you can change the font size here. Just click on the font here and reduce the font size to your desired font. You can type it there. Let's use 15. Okay, now the font has been changed. Now, okay, now let's try to add sub headings here. I mean slogan. Just click on text here. Let's use your digital advancements solution. Okay, now let's bring it here. You can now reduce the size here to like 16. Okay, let's do this one. Let's make it some Supremo Digital. It's okay. This is it. Let's reduce this one to 15. I think 15 is okay now. Let's center it. I'm making use of this arrow key on my keyboard to make it align. Okay, now you can do a little trick to this one. You can change the color here by come down to this color palette. Choose any color of your choice. You can still make use of this pick color. Just click on it, pick the color from here. You can see it now, the color has changed. For this one, we can change the color to, let's change it to this color now. You can now group this one, just drag and right click on group. It has been grouped, guys. You can make both. Okay, now for this one, we can just drag and click on group. You can now resize it to look professional. Okay, now under this, okay, just make it to look okay. It's okay like this now. If you like, you can change this element here by coming to this resources here. You have it of resources in which you can choose. Since we are designing for technology, just comes under this science and networking. Choose anything that you want. Let's assume I'm working on an ICT company logo design. I can choose this mouse. I can use any other. Okay, let's choose this mouse now. Just drag the mouse outside here, click on this one and click on delete. Just resize this one to look professional. You can change the color here, use the color picker tool here. So boom. If you don't like this thing, you can just come there and change it to any of the stuff that you like. Can you see it now? I think this one is okay. What about this one? This one also look professional. Or this one. I think this one also look okay. Okay. Yeah, this one look professional. Just try to resize it a little bit. Boom. Within 5 minutes you are done with your design. Okay, now the next thing is for you to click on export here. Export, click on export image here. Export, click on export here. You have this the image size here to be 550 for the width, while the height is 400. You can increase the size to like 1000 automatically, and the height will be resized. Okay, can you see it now? The height was resized automatically. Now you have the options either to use JPEG or PNG. Let's use JPEG. Just click on export, give it a name, Supremo. Just click on save here. Okay, let's view our logo, the one which we design. Come down to picture, Supremo. Boom. You don't need to hire any logo designer to have your company logo design for you. Just make use of this powerful software to have your design done within 3 to 5 minutes. That's how to design a professional logo. If you are new to this channel, please click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friends. If you have any question, I'll be expecting your comment at the comment section.